Hey everybody, my name is John David and welcome to my channel. Have you ever watched anime and thought, man, I kind of want to make something like that? The stories, the characters, the animation style, it's all so captivating. And you know what? Making your own anime is totally doable. It might seem daunting, but trust me, it's a journey worth taking. This video is your anime creation starter pack. We'll go through all the steps from the initial what if to getting that sweet, sweet animation out there for the world to see. Are you ready? I know I am. First things first, we need an idea. What kind of story do you want to tell? What kind of world will it be set in? Is it a high fantasy epic with knights and dragons? Or maybe a slice of life comedy about a group of friends who start a band? Write those ideas down, get wild. Don't be afraid to go absolutely bonkers. Once you have your core concept, it's time to flesh it out into a script. Think of it as the blueprint for your anime. Now, I know what you're thinking. A script? That sounds boring. But trust me, it doesn't have to be Shakespeare. Just get the main plot points down, the dialogue, the important scenes. You know, the good stuff. All right, we've got our story. Now, let's make it visual. Storyboarding is like making a comic book version of your anime. Sketch out the key scenes in each panel. Don't worry about making it perfect. It's all about getting the flow of the story down. Think of it like setting up the stage for your actors, who in this case are your drawings. This is where you figure out the camera angles, the character positions, the overall feel of each scene. This is where your vision really starts to come to life. This is where you unleash your inner artist. We're talking about designing your characters. What do they look like? What kind of clothes do they wear? What about their hair, their eyes, their expressions? This is all about giving your characters personality before they even say a word. Remember, good character design is memorable. Think about iconic anime characters like Goku or Naruto. They've got those distinct looks that just scream their names. Chapter 4. Art Assets, Time to Get Artsy. Now it's time to create all the visual elements of your anime. We're talking about character designs, backgrounds, props, all that jazz. You can draw these by hand or use software like Photoshop or Clip Studio Paint. There's even free software like OpenToons, because everyone deserves a chance to make awesome stuff. And hey, if drawing isn't your forte, don't worry. You can always commission artists online to help bring your vision to life. Chapter 5. Animation software. Choosing your weapon. Okay, time to talk animation software. This is the tool you'll use to bring your drawings to life. If you're going for a classic two-dimensional look, there's software like Adobe Animate and Toon Boom Harmony. For those who want to dive into the world of three-dimensional, Blender and Maya are your new best friends. Don't get overwhelmed by all the options though. Start with something beginner-friendly and experiment. You'll find the one that suits your style. Chapter 6. Animating, make a move. This is where the magic happens. Start by animating the key poses of your characters, like walking, talking, or doing a super awesome attack move. Then you fill in the gaps with in-between frames to create smooth, fluid motion. Trust me, it's super satisfying to see your characters come to life. Don't be afraid to experiment with different animation techniques. You can even add cool visual effects to make your animation pop. Audio production, give it some sound. Good audio can make or break your anime. Get yourself a decent microphone and record your own dialogue. Or, bribe your friends with pizza to voice act for you. Make sure to add sound effects. Footsteps, punches, explosions. Those little details make a huge difference. And don't forget the music. Find royalty-free tracks online, or if you're feeling really ambitious, compose your own. Music sets the mood, builds the tension, and makes your anime truly immersive. All right, it's time to assemble all the pieces. Import your animation, audio, sound effects and music into a video editing software. You can use Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even free options like OpenShot. Arrange everything in the right order, add transitions, and make sure everything is synced up perfectly. This is where you get to see your hard work come together. It's like putting together a giant jigsaw puzzle, except instead of a boring landscape, it's your awesome anime. You did it. You've reached the finish line. Now it's time to export your anime and share it with the world. Choose a suitable video format like MP4 and upload it to YouTube, Vimeo, or your favorite social media platform. Don't forget to write a catchy title and description. Get people hyped to see what you've created. Once your anime is out there, pay attention to the feedback. Listen to what people liked, what they didn't like, and use that to improve your future projects. Remember, even the best animators started somewhere. Join online communities, connect with other creators, never stop learning, and most importantly, never stop creating. And there you have it, folks, a crash course in anime creation. It's a lot of work, I know, but trust me, it's incredibly rewarding to see your vision come to life. Remember, every great animator started with a single frame. Take your time, break down the process into manageable steps, and don't be afraid to experiment. Good luck with your anime video creation. Remember, start small, learn from tutorials, and join communities for support and feedback. You got this. Now go forth and animate, my friends.